This is Connor Minix YouTube. We're back with another video. Today we're going to be making apple squares. I got my mom with me. She's going to be helping. How long you been making this recipe?
Been a long time. many years.
So, okay, well, we've got the apples cooked already. We cook them first before we make the pie crust. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the recipe. We have a gallon of frozen apples and a quart of frozen apples. And then you want to add or cook them till they get soft, and then add 2 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons allspice, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and how much butter?
1 stick of butter.
1 stick of butter. So you just cook that and set it aside while you're making the crust. So we'll get started on the crust now. Okay, so we're getting the crust made now. So we start out with 6 cups of all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of salt.
Little dab of this, a little dab of that.
Okay, so we've got the flour and salt mixed. And then next we're going to add 2 cups of lard. You could use shortening, but we like using lard. Make it more fattening, I guess.
Yeah, fattening stuff.
I'm going to mix this in. Okay. You can use a pastry cutter. Is that what you call it? Pastry
I do have
something if you have one. We lost ours.
There it is.
Oh, good. Okay, let's see. That might work better.
Yeah.
You just want to kind of work the lard in till it's kind of crumbly. Then we'll add the ice water. And I'm going to put just a little bit of milk in it. That helps the crust to brown. Just what would you say, 1/8 of a cup maybe? So we had 1 cup of ice water, and then about 1/8 of a cup of milk. So just you kind of gradually add that. Just hold the ice back and
Don't need this anymore.
now mix it all up. So. Okay, we're ready to roll it out. It's going to be ready to roll again. Try it again.
Jane always said, go from the middle.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to roll it up on the rolling pin to get it in her pan.
Go get the pan.
Okay, we just roll it right up on the rolling pin and turn it the other way. And then just unroll it. You need a little more down that way. Mom's the miracle worker. She has to fix all the holes and patch it up.
Plug them up. Okay. And then get the scissors.
So, okay. Ready for the top crust. Work just a little more flour into it. applesauce.
Yeah, make it. I could be putting apples in it, couldn't I, while
Could, yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to do this the same as the bottom crust.
take the spoon and smooth them out.
Yeah.
So it's good and full. Looks good to me.
Okay, now we're ready to put the top crust on. Just gonna do it the same way. Just roll it up on the pin.
Well. Well.
So we left them out.
There we go.
A little hot, it'll probably melt a little. Just unroll it. And you've just got to patch it up a little and get the sides fluted.
Just turn it under here, both crusts.
I'll trim them off and
I'll take a fork,
yeah, this is Grandma's
go around it. A little more.
She always does this part.
Then we gotta fix it like this, which I'm not a good hand to do that.
I never could do that.
Gotta curl it up.
Guess it's gotta match.
Yours is prettier.
I don't know about that. I think yours is, but
When you're finished,
Then I put a
we'll clap.
A in it
Connie, when you're
for
finished,
apple.
we'll clap.
Not very good at that. Oh well, they don't have to do that, do they? And I just take it and I melt them.
it's looking good. Except you just gotta flute this side. We left one side.
Oh, I didn't do
left.
You want to prick it?
Well, it looks pretty from here.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in the freezer for Mom's 91st birthday party in a few weeks.
Yeah.
And then once you get it out of the freezer, you can put it right into the oven. You want to start it out at 450?
Yeah, about 400, 450.
400 to 450 for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
About 20 minutes, and then turn it down to 350 and bake it
Till
probably
browns.
another 40 minutes or so till it gets brown.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll show you how we do the glaze that we put on it. We'll show you how to do that in a little bit. you probably wouldn't have to bake it as long if you stuck it in the oven right now. You'd still want to start it out at 425 maybe, and for the first 15 minutes, 20, and then it may only take another 20 or 30 if it wasn't frozen.
Yeah, because your apples are already done.
Okay, we're going to put the one we're tasting in the oven. Start it out at 425 for about 15 minutes. Set the timer. Okay, so
Got it going.
clean up. We're going to change the temperature to 350, and I'm going to time it about 15 minutes and check it. Okay, well, it's been 15 more minutes and it looks like it's done. So this looks pretty good. So we're going to let it cool down a little bit and put some glaze on it, and we'll try it. So I'm going to make the glaze now for the one we're going to try tonight. But first I'm going to give you the recipe for the apple square glaze. So you need 2 cups of powdered sugar, probably about 3 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And just mix that up, and if it's a little too stiff, just add a little more milk. And then once you get that baked, you can put it on while it's warm. Just cover the top. Just drizzle it over the top.
Don't cover it.
But now I'm going to do 1 cup and 2 or I think 3 teaspoons of milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we'll see if I need to add anything. We're going to put this one on the one we're going to eat tonight. Add just a little bit more milk, another teaspoon. Okay, looks about right. And we're gonna just put this on the pie that we're gonna try. I know, like this. Okay, we'll do that if anybody wants to add more. I like a lot of frosting. Okay, so we're ready to cut it. Okay, we're back with the finished product. We've got our pie, we're going to try it. So we've got Grandma Rudd here and Aunt Roberta on the other end. We had to have some, what? Judges? Yeah.
Taste testers.
Yeah, taste testers. That was
They're very good. Good.
So,
All right.
That's
really good.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot. Could have had ice cream with it.
Oh, we had ice cream. Could have had pie almost.
Oh,
We've all got milk.
we
I
like
got
milk.
milk too.
I like milk.
I think we got the right ingredients in it.
Yeah, that was perfect. So maybe our next video we'll make cinnamon rolls.
Right. Okay guys, that's it for the apple square video, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with everyone, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye.
Bye.
You gotta put your arm.
Yeah, she put them in and it was left
Here.
here.
Yeah, here. Let me get this one that
Oh, I think you might have had it in the wrong.
arms over one.
Like that.
There's my pretty one. Well, now I messed my hair up.
No, you didn't.
Video, and today I'm here with my grandma
Hi, everyone. That's why I start. Because I always mess up.
Are we been tight?
You didn't say, what's up, guys?
You guys gonna have to calm down before you can make your video.
Then I said I went home and ate a bunch last night, so I wanted to try that and cake and. Oops. I'm afraid that'll be too much.
It'll be all right.
Okay. She's the boss.
Little dab of this, little dab of that. Run.
I guess I could move it this way. Whoops. Just a little bit sticky. It's a lot of pressure. Shoot.
Turn the camera.
I think we're going to have to start over.
Give me a fork. Yours ain't gonna look like mine. Don't do that.
I guess it's got to match.
Yours is prettier. Well, my brother-in-law, he said he went to sell a car to some people, and this old lady, she had had some peanuts laying by her table in her chair, and he picked up some to eat, and he said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to eat all your peanuts." She said, "That's okay, I already sucked the chocolate off of them."
Whoa. I'm not too good at drizzling. I have to fix my hair. I can't breathe.
Have a toast.
A toast with our milk. I like milk.
I like milk.
I love milk.
Oh my.
It's so yummy.
I have to make this when I go home.
Anybody need a napkin?
And here's to you.
That'd be good too. I'm just eating away
It's only 10 o'clock.
while they're laughing. I'm getting my pie all ate up.
So I started opening the back of this van, and I'm like, this doesn't really look like her van, but the door opener opened it, you know. So I was starting to put my groceries in. And then I was like, no, she didn't have like black seats back there, and you know, and I saw these headphones, but I was like, but you know, that the clicker opened it, I heard it, and, you know. And so anyway, then she came out and she's like, I said, so why doesn't this look like your van? She's like, because it's not. And, excuse me, when we got over to her car, both doors were open in the hatchback. Because I was just flipping all of those things trying to get the doors open.